Hello, my name is Hadi, and in this video I'm going to help you with writing a problem and solution paragraph. Well, I have already made another video about how to write a decent paragraph. I think you can find the link here. My recommendation, watch that video first, then come back here, because you need to learn some basics before we begin this. If you're here, it means you have watched that already, and now we're going to talk about problem and solution paragraphs. You usually see these kind of paragraphs in the IELTS exam, and I think that's probably why you're watching this video. I'm going to teach you the best way to gain the best score when you are writing a paragraph in academic IELTS or maybe general training IELTS task 2, which is an essay that you're going to sometimes answer a problem and solution question. Back to business. The layout of my paragraph is beginning with my topic sentence, like always. I already told you in that video that every paragraph starts with a topic sentence so that we tell the reader what they're going to read, which is our main idea, of course, of the paragraph. After that, we need some supporting ideas. It depends on you and how advanced that paragraph is going to be. So the supporting ideas are the reasons for my topic sentence and some examples to show that it really makes sense. And after that, I need to provide a solution and maybe sometimes consequences or the results. So let me show you them by giving you an example in order to understand it better. I told you about topic sentence, that the general topic of the problem that I have decided to write about today in this video is studying abroad. Well, it's one of the most common questions in the IELTS exam. So they tell you that studying abroad can cause some problems for people. What are those problems and how can we solve those problems? So when you face that question, first thing you need to do is to decide that this paragraph that I'm going to write in my essay, one of the body paragraphs that I'm going to write, what is it going to be about? What is the topic? So I ask myself, what is the problem? Well, people can study abroad, okay, the problem. They might feel homesick, okay, it could be one paragraph. Another one, they might face some language barriers, they cannot speak to other people, so another paragraph, or any other problems that crosses your mind. I have decided to talk about language barriers today. So after that, the language barrier is my topic sentence. After that, I need to find some supporting ideas for that. As I told you here, we need to support the topic sentence. How do I find those points? I just simply ask myself how and why. So I say, how is it a problem? Why is it a problem? And then I get to the answers that people cannot communicate. People cannot understand the lessons that they are studying at the university. So that is a real problem. These are the supporting ideas for my topic sentence to ensure the reader that this is the case. After that, I need to ask myself, what should I do? What can we do? How can we solve this problem? And I come to the point, which is language courses on campus. It could be any solution. This is my solution. Your solution might be taking courses in your own country, and before you travel to another country for studying abroad, you can learn the language and stuff, or maybe some softwares and stuff. My idea here is language course on campus that universities can offer. And after that, I ask myself, so what happens if we do this? Well, students learn the language. So if they learn the language, the problem of the language barrier is solved, and therefore there is no lack of communication, there is no lack of understanding or anything like that. So always have a logic and plan before you start writing. Before I start writing, I have my plan. I know what my paragraph is going to be about. I know different parts of my paragraph, and each one is going to explain what. Okay. I'm going to show you this with an example, but I don't have enough space here, so I'm going to clean the board and be back with the sample to show you all of these in my sample that are put in sentences. Okay, here's an example. Let's take a look to see how we can put that into practice. One of the difficulties which people face when they are studying in another country is the language barrier. This is my topic sentence. to show that I want to talk about the problem that people face, and that problem is language barrier. After that, I need to support my topic sentence with 2 points. So let's begin with my first supporting idea. Firstly, it causes problems in communication because students cannot speak with people and socialize. My brother, for instance, is studying in Finland and he's got no friends. Here's my first supporting idea, which is following PEEL approach, which was about point, explanation, example, and link. If you do not know that, it's because you have not seen the previous video about writing a paragraph. You can see it up here right now. And you see that I am using linkers to address my points. You can also see my other videos about linkers here to understand how we can use them to connect the ideas and connect paragraphs. So let's move on to our second supporting idea. Secondly, it also leads to lack of understanding in class because the lessons are taught in another language. It's my second supporting point. The other reason that language barrier is important and a problem is this one. After that, I need to suggest a solution. So I begin and I say, the solution is for the universities to provide the students with on-campus language courses. This is my idea. I think if you do that, we can overcome the problem. So I say, in order to help students overcome this matter, it means this is the result of my solution. If you do that, then you have this result and the problem we just talked about and told you how important it is solved. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and follow for more videos like this. Good day.